Hey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Hamdi Ibrahim, VP number 21, 10, 42, 20, and 12 from biology major. So today I will present my presentation. This is presented for Bahasa Inggris Class. Thank you for Mr. Ferdinand that guides me until this time to making this presentation. So my title about presentation today is potential use of Mangkokan leaves or Polyscias scutellaria fosper extract as antimicrobial in human skin. So let's come to the next section, shall we? Okay, now this is the introduction. So you can see here, this is the Mangkokan leaves, the figure of Mangkokan leaves. The introduction, woody stems. So it has woody stems, yeah, and shield-shaped leaves can grow 2 until 3 meters above the surface. The name Mangkokan, Mangkok comes from the Indonesian name. Mangkok means bowl. So these leaves of the plants is shaped like a bowl, and many Indonesian society in the Dutch residents was use these plants as the substitute for the plate or bowl. And the second one is used as food, yeah, as a papeda, gulai, and etc. Also known as medicine for anemia and hair treatment, contain secondary metabolite. Yeah. So what is the secondary metabolite? Yes, secondary metabolite, yeah. Number one is chemical substance. So secondary metabolite means chemical substance produced in plants that gives plants ability to survive in the environment. Yeah, it's according to the Lawler in his journal in 1986. And in Mangkokan leaves, secondary metabolite that found actually is many, but in my paper and article is just 3 secondary metabolite that we will discuss now. And in pharmaceutical field, this substance known for their potential as antimicrobes. Yeah. So this is what we will discuss in this time. Okay, next, antimicrobes. Antimicrobes, yeah, means comes from the 3 words. Anti means against, micro means something that we can see, just can see through microscope, and bios means organisms. So we can conclude that antimicrobes is destroy or inhibit the growth of pathogenic microorganisms. The antimicrobes also can means antibacterial because antimicrobes is a general definition, and antibacterial is the part of antimicrobes. It's towards or against bacteria, and antifungal or antifungus, yeah, so it's towards fungus, such microfungus actually pathogenic. It means that can some organism that makes people sick. Yeah. In this case, Mangkokan leaves shows potential activity against Acetobacter bacteria and Candida albicans microfungal. Yeah. So, what is Acetobacter and Candida albicans? We will discuss in the next section. Next, discussions. Body odor. Yeah, body odor is one of the skin problem for the most of the people. It caused by bacteria called Acetobacter. When it comes to serious infection, it can affect our immune system. So, Acetobacter, it's usually lives in the part of the human body. So, it's exists in the human body, but the number of this bacteria is not quite large. But when the growth rate is uncontrollably, so they can make serious infection to your immune system. Yeah. And the second one is Candidiasis, mostly happen in vaginal area of women, caused by microfungus called Candida albicans. When it's not treated seriously, this fungus can infect our urine system. So it must be, we must take have more attention to this problem from both of the problems. Then how Mangkokan extract can cure the 2 of disease above? So, now, first step is making the extract of Mangkokan because we want to cure that problem, right? So the first step is how to make the extract. The first is wash the leaves. This activity can reduce the bacteria and makes your leaves is more hygienic. And chop the leaves. What it means is maceration, right? It's a chop until the leaves are parted smoothly. So it's just a thin part of the leaves. Yeah, it's called maceration. And drain the leaves. So after you wash it, after you chop it, you drain the leaves under the sunlight or maybe microwave, yeah, or any lab technology, right? Machine. And the last is extract the leaves. You can make the extract into the powder or make the extract into the liquid. If you want the extract from the powder, you can use maybe blender or something. Yeah, and if you want to liquid extract, yeah, liquid the extract, you can in Indonesia we call that merendam, sink the leaves in the aqua or water. Next, so antimicrobial compounds in Mangkokan extract. I'm already not mentioned before these three types of the compounds found in the Mangkokan extract. The first is flavonoids. Flavonoids, the isoquercetin and apigetrine is one of flavonoids compound that shows most antimicrobial effects. So actually flavonoids have 7 types of flavonoids, but the 2 of the 7 out of 7 shows most antimicrobial effects. I'm take the references from the Ivanov in his journal in 2020. And the second one is tannin. Tannin in the Kurhekar journal, he tests the 2 sample of the tannins, aqueous extract of tannins and ethanol extract of tannin, in the 2016. But in the results is aqueous extract or water extract of tannins are proven more effective as antimicrobial rather than ethanol extract. And the third, terpenoids. Terpenoids actually already known in a pharmacy for antimicrobial uses. It depends on the target. Pure terpenoid is effective on bacteria. It comes from Mahizan journal in 2019. Pure terpenoid is effective on bacteria such as Acetobacter that cause body odor, but it's not effective towards the microfungal like Candida albicans. So to kill the Candida albicans, these terpenoids must be mixed with fluconazole maybe or many other antifungal. Antifungal. So it's just not pure terpenoids. It's just not effective towards the Candidiasis. So you must mix it with the others antifungal. Next. So this is the diagrams Mangkokan extract versus Acetobacter bacteria. Extract considered as positive antimicrobial when the percentage of bacteria colony are killed more than 45% of total colony. So in this diagram you can see that methanol extract in the light blue and the hexane and ethyl acetate extract in the dark blue color. The methanol extract it's increased when the concentration is increased. The colony of bacteria is also increased. But it's just not as effective as hexane and ethyl acetate. Hexane and ethyl acetate shows that more significantly, significantly and exponentially results towards kill bacterian colony, Acetobacter colony. Next, so this extract considered as positive antimicrobial when the percentage of bacteria colony are killed more than 45%. In the methanol extract is not reached the 45% in this diagram, but the hexane and ethyl acetate it blow up and reach approximate 100% of the total colony. So it's really effective in hexane and ethyl acetate extract. Next, Mangkokan extract versus Candida albicans, microfungal. This diagram shows us when the dosage of extract is raised exponentially, the effectiveness of the extract towards Candida albicans is also increased significantly. So when you add the more concentration from the Mangkokan extract, the kill Candida albicans is increased. So it's more effective when we use the higher concentration of Mangkokan extract. Next, we can make applied gel cream from Mangkokan extract. How? First, we just turn the extract into powder. Second one is add the toluene and water. And third is then let it cool. Maybe in the freezer. This cream may be proven for anti-aging purposes. So in my references, that this cream is proven for anti-aging purpose. But myself hopes that same technique can be applied for body odor problem and candidiasis problem. But to be honest, furthermore, it must be tested the impact of toluene towards Mangkokan extract itself and the bacteria or the fungus, because we don't know what is the effect of the toluene towards our skin, the bacteria, the fungus, or the effectiveness of the Mangkokan extract, right? So the conclusion is the first one, Mangkokan leaves has potential antimicrobes because contain secondary metabolite called phenolic compounds. Second one is the compounds such as tannins, flavonoids, and terpenoids is effective towards body odor, bacteria, Acetobacter, and Candida albicans fungus. This extract can be applied into gel cream for practical usings, but it needs further more research from the experts. Then, thank you for your attention. See you next time. You can reach my article and my paper in the description below. I will put the link in the description below. Thank you.